Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. Begin by finding an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle. After selecting Got It in Find Storage Tips here pop-up. Lastly, select the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!